Here is an introduction to probability. Sometimes people ask, why should I learn mathematics? My answer is, life has many problems. You can use mathematics to solve the difficult ones. Probability. In this case, we want to try and predict what will be the outcome of some activity. The branch of mathematics that we use is called probability. If there is only one possible outcome, then the probability is 1. If something cannot happen, the probability is 0. Some examples of probability. Probability turns up in the most unexpected places. So what's the chances of that? If we toss a coin in the air, the probability landing heads up is 50-50, or a half. The probability of the coin staying up in the air and defying gravity is 0. No chance. In general, probabilities go from 0 to 1, and we represent that in mathematics with a fraction, a decimal, or a percentage. If we go back to our coin, the probability of coming down heads is a half, and coming down tails is a half. If you add them together, you get 1. That is the probability of the coin coming down. The probability of throwing a 6 with an unbalanced dice is 1 chance in 6, or 1/6, or 1/6. The probability of throwing an even number with an unbiased dice is 3 chances in 6, or 3/6, or 1/2, or you could say 50-50, or 0.5 in decimals. Silly people who gamble heavily rely on probabilities. If you look at the odds on a horse race and analyze them carefully, you will find that the bookmaker cannot lose.
There is a basic formula for probability, and it is the number of ways you can predict divided by all possible outcomes.
Notice the largest number is always on the bottom. Therefore, we always get a fraction. The probability is never greater than 1. If the number on the top is 0, then 0 divided by any number is still 0. If you take nothing and cut it in half, you've still got nothing. If the numbers at the top and bottom are the same, then the probability is 1.